Hey everybody, how's it going? Redman Gamer here, back with a boring tech tip video. Today we're going to be talking about Bandicam. And if you've ever run into this issue where you've had popping or clicking in your recordings, maybe this video is for you. So what I wanted to do here was basically just kind of walk you through a real scenario that I ran into just recently, and just basically share with you my tips that I went through. It's kind of a checklist of things that you can look into to see if this maybe helps solve your problem. So basically, I was getting popping in my microphone every time I was doing recording. I had just rebooted my computer. It was working fine before. I have a Windows 10 machine. I was upgrading from an NVIDIA 1070 to an NVIDIA 3070 and ended up rebooting my system, completely refreshing it. Came back on. The video games ran great, but the audio capturing device started clicking. And so it was driving me crazy. And basically, any time I was doing a recording, it just wouldn't work. And I don't know what the problem. I don't know what the change was. I'm not sure if there was what happened, but I started going through some of the checklist items. So here's some of the things that you can do to kind of check your own system. But I do have a solution at the end, so stick with it to the end. First thing is that if you're ever having sound issues, the first step is to go into your playback and your recording sessions and just make sure you don't have anything that's conflicting with it. Disable any devices that you're not using. You can see I have a whole bunch of audio devices that might potentially try to interfere with that. You can disable them, you can enable them, and then you can hide them. So it just kind of cleans it up and then label them. Good practice. But that might help. That might not be the issue. Most likely that's not the issue, but still a good little practice. The next thing you can do is you can go into Start and type in Computer Management, and that will open up the Computer Management screen. You can click on the Device Manager and then look for any yellow asterisks that are just showing up here in the kind of the drop-down menu. If you see anything like what happened, like I said, I had just reinstalled Windows, and my microphone was not being recognized properly. It was working, but the drivers hadn't been set up properly. So my first thought was that maybe I had a bad driver. So anytime you see yellow asterisks, always take care of those, because even if it is working, it might not be working to the best of its ability, or it might be having problems. So I went out to Blue Yeti Pro's website and found my microphone and found my drivers, downloaded it, installed it. That still didn't fix it, but at least I know my drivers are working great now. So that's good. Still tried recording Bandicam and still popping and clicking. So next thing you do, go to the Google machine and check and see if there's anything that comes up. And sure enough, Bandicam popping, loud sound snapping, but that's from 2012. So probably not the one looking about, but here's 2020. That's a little bit more relevant. So I looked up here and looked at the post, and sure enough, AMD Ryzen, NVIDIA 3090. So very similar specs to what I'm dealing with. This person's clearly got a top of the line computer, which, you can assume if somebody's running stuff like this, they typically know their stuff. You can't always assume it, but, and sure enough, the issue is very similar to what I was having. Anytime you record the game or whatever, it's poppy right at the first few seconds, and then the whole time pops in and out. Frame rate gets a little choppy, whatever, right? So I go down here a little further, and yeah, Bandicam says, yep, hey, we're looking into the issue. And that's the last we heard from him. I wish companies, if they're going to have forums to help deal with topics, would you just follow up on your topics, close them off? But anyway, that's a little rant for another thing. So Bandicam was maybe potentially the issue here. I did upgrade to Bandicam, a later version of it. So as of I'm not sure if this is going to do what I need it to do. Nope, it's not. Anyway, there's ways to find out what version you have. I know I'm running one of the later versions, so that's not the issue. So I looked for another solution. So solution number 2, I looked into OBS. So Open Broadcaster software. It's open, it's free. You can download it. I know this is not a solution for this. Doesn't necessarily fix it, but let me tell you, it worked. So I downloaded the Windows version of it. And I'll probably put together a quick tutorial at some point showing you how to do this. It's really easy to use. Just click a little source. You set up your source, and then you hit record. That's it. And that's that's it. That's all you have to do. So Yeah, this is kind of not, this was not meant to be a bait and switch. This is here to tell you that there's a problem with Bandicam, and if you're running into this issue and you're getting pops and clicks on your Bandicam, it's probably Bandicam and whatever your machine is. It could be an AMD driver conflict. It could be a chipset having to do like an NVIDIA conflict. Either way, for whatever reason, Bandicam's interface for its video and AV system, it's not fixed. There's something wrong with it. So if you're having that problem, I recommend maybe as a temporary solution, switching over to something like OBS, which has got an amazing community of support around it. And it works just as well. So, and in some respects, even better. So that is your quick, boring tech tip video for the day. Again, hopefully that checklist was helpful for you. If it is, give this video a like. That's always helpful for the algorithm. And feel free to put some comments in the comment section below and just kind of share your story about what you've kind of been dealing with, and maybe this helped. Either way, appreciate you watching this, and yeah, have a great rest of your day. Cheers.